Good morning, everybody. This is Michelle Mead with the National Weather Service in Sacramento, and we wanted to tell you about a tale of two weather systems that are going to be impacting interior Northern California over the next 48 hours. What I'm showing you right now is a satellite image. Basically what we have here is a circulation, a weather system that's dropping along the northwest coast of California, and we also have a weather system down here in Southern California. You can see this area right here of darkening, which means a lot of dry air is associated with this first system, and that's going to be the main impact for interior Northern California over the next 48 hours. Basically what we're looking at is some pretty strong winds developing late tonight and through early on Thursday. This is a graphic of the max wind gust for tomorrow, Wednesday, between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. is when we're expecting the strongest winds. You can see from this graphic we are highlighting mostly the western and central valley of Sacramento Valley, and then of course the northern foothills here of the Northern Sierra. The timing, like I mentioned, is mainly late Tuesday night through Thursday morning, but the strongest winds will be during the day on Wednesday. The other problem with this dry air is the relative humidities you can see are dropping quite low, back into the teens over much of the Sacramento Valley. And then the southern system is actually bringing some relative humidity up in the southeast portion of San Joaquin and the southern Sierra Nevada. So that area is not at a high fire risk, but does have some weather impacts with winter weather. So this is definitely a tale of fire and ice. Most notably is the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted much of Northern California in elevated and critical fire conditions for tomorrow, basically for the winds and the relative humidity that I mentioned, plus we still have very dry fuels across interior Northern California and much of Northern California. Therefore, the red flag warning has been issued. It is in effect from Wednesday morning through early Thursday morning, and again for the winds and the low humidity along with the dry fuels. In addition, we also just have general wind advisory conditions, so folks with any loose holiday objects out will want to be careful that they don't get blown away. Now we're going to turn our attention to the winter hazards that are going to be associated with that southern system that's coming in. You can see there's some high elevation winter storm and winter weather advisories. We're concentrating mostly on the elevations above 7,500 feet, mainly south of Highway 50. And again, it's for late this evening through Wednesday evening. This is the amount of snow that we are expecting to see, generally 2 to 4 inches with locally up to 8 at the higher elevations. And again from Tuesday through Wednesday, and of course keep track on the road information, plus the precipitation is going to be mostly confined to that area. So in summary, we do have a tale of two weather systems, this one to the north and then the moisture from the south. So we're expecting enhanced fire weather conditions through much of the day tomorrow, in addition to some winter weather and snow impacts to southern Tuolumne and the southern Sierra. For the latest forecast information, make sure you tune in to weather.gov/Sacramento and follow us on Facebook and Twitter at the addresses listed below. Thanks so much and stay safe out there.